We bairns were torn from the parents, like the wrapping on a Christmas morning gift. Land of heather and thistle suffered the most insane pain when they lost the angels of Dunblane.
We bairns were torn from their parents on this sad day, suffered insane pain when they lost the angels of Dunblane.
Boys played football in the yard with dreams of Hampden Park and the sound of Flower of Scotland as they took their navy blue shirts into their shorts. But they never made the game, the tiny international team from Dunblane.
Boys played in the yard, but they never made the game. The tiny team from Dunblane.
We girls skipped and plaited each other's hair, singing songs like their idols on the screen. Voices faded and fell silent, like droplets from a distant rain on that fateful day in Dunblane.
Voices fell silent on that fateful day in Dunblane. Fateful day in Dunblane.
Carnage like a war zone. To those parents will be impossible to explain, who died themselves on the one-sided battlefield of Dunblane.
Carnage was on for those parents who died themselves on the battlefield of Dunblane.
17 flowers perished that strange March day, like the flower of Scotland. They might have scattered seeds, and like the phoenix from the ashes, may just rise again to inspire the future bairns of Dunblane.
Flowers perished on that strange March day. Flowers perished on that day in Dunblane.
Hampden Park, whilst girls sang songs like their idols on the screen.
They never made the game. The tiny team of Dunblane.